Hey everybody, and welcome to this episode of Ask a Garage Guru. This is Ray.
This is my friend Stuart.
Today we're talking all about prep. Now Ray likes to joke that I'm the brains, but really he's the brains of install. So Ray, I know prep is super important when it comes to installing a floor.
Yeah, the prep is everything. If you don't prep it, it won't bond. If it don't bond, it chips, it breaks, it comes off. You have to have the right equipment to do it. So the grinding, what you're doing is taking the shine off of it and actually allowing the product to penetrate down into the concrete.
Now you guys use the hand grinder really to get into any small spot, better than probably anybody else out there.
Yeah, you know, like those jobs you sell where there's like this much room under the cabinet. Yeah, we get in there and get that ground down too. I mean, you got to grind it or it won't bond.
Okay.
The other thing is cleanliness. You know what my mom used to say?
Well, I don't even know. What did she used
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Okay.
That's what she used to tell me. I don't know what that means, but the floor has to be spotless. So we have commercial vacuums that we vacuum it up with, and then we vacuum all the edges real tight because, you know, once again, my mom, corners tell you whether you clean the window or not.
Oh, okay.
Not the middle.
Okay.
So we make sure all the corners, all the edges are vacuumed real well before we start putting the product down.
I love it. So guys, prep is key, obviously.
Obviously.
So if this helps you, give us a like. Guys, if you have questions, ask us. We'd be happy to answer them. And of course, we'll talk to you guys soon.
All right. See you, Stuart.
See you guys.
Hello, Garage.